Hey, I heard there's a place to stay here.
Oh, you want to move in?
Yes.
Sam, can you give this beauty a tour?
Yes, absolutely. Welcome to our Freebird co-living community. We have lots of activities over here.
Oh, that's great.
We have lots of activities over here to keep you busy. With lots of friends, you won't want to go home.
Oh, wow, that's nice. There's birds over here.
Nice, right?
Yeah.
Let's go to the restaurant.
Come, let's go.
We serve healthy meals. You can enjoy every bite, feel safe and happy staying here. The best part is we are professional nutritionists who do regular health checkup, so you are well taken care of.
Wow, this community is amazing. But I'm still young, haven't retired yet. Can I join?
Sure, we can always learn from the senior. Our Freebird co-living community welcome you anytime. We even have shuttle service to take you out shopping.
Wow, really nice. I like it here.
We provide professional cleaning and the entire house features negative ion purification from the walls to the bed, offering a comprehensive purification of both body and mind. Okay, the tour is over.
Hey, Sam, come over here. I'm going to sign up today. This place is awesome. Yeah. Welcome to MCN co-living community. We care for you.